What's going on, Skid? I'm at a sister property today, helping out. This is not the property that I work at every day. I'm out here turning, catching up on some turns for them, and I noticed they had a leak. And it is coming, you see the drip right there. It's coming from the back of this valve here. Right back there. That's where it's dripping. See, my finger's wet. And it's pretty tight. So I went to the guy that works here, and he said this is how they fix it. Sharkbite, 3/4 Sharkbite onto 3/4 copper pipe. So I figured I'd bring you along for the ride. I'm gonna cut this off, cut it above the valve here, and it screws into that. This is aquatherm. Aquatherm heating. Uses the hot water to heat the apartment. This sucker's got about 20 years of paint on it. See if I can use my old cutter here. Haven't used these yet. Brand new. Sweet. Whoa. It's a gusher. Water is off. Alright, now I'm going to get some sandpaper and get some of that paint off of there. Oh, it's tight. I'm going to take this old valve out. There we go. That's where it was leaking. Alright, I got one end screwed on. Now we do the Sharkbite onto the copper. I'm gonna need two hands just to be sure it's secure on there. Alright, I got it on there good. I grabbed the pipe up here with this hand and it slid way up once I gave it some oomph. I had to put some man on it. But I'll turn the water on and see what happens. Gonna just eke it on. Alright, it's eked on now. Well, so far so good. Alright, give it all she's got, Captain. Full blast. Alright, I got the water all the way on, full blast, and no leaks. Believe it or not, guys, this is the very first time I've ever used a Sharkbite. I've got videos of me crimping rings on PEX pipe because we have PEX out my way. But I've never used a Sharkbite ever, so I figured I'd bring y'all along for the ride. I dig it. I've heard never to use them behind walls, and as you can see, this isn't behind a wall, it's just in the air handler closet for the aquatherm heating. It's just in a tight spot. I bet old Steve Laugh could have gotten back there and gotten it though, with the torch, but I use what they use out here, and this stuff is all over the property, so that's what I used. All right, first time ever using a Sharkbite. Good to go. Thank you all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.